Very warm welcome to all of you into Knowledge Park. Imagine for a moment, what lets you think, move, feel joy, or sense the world around you? The answer is a marvel inside you, your nervous system. Your nervous system is the ultimate control and communication network of your body. It lets you feel the warmth of the sun. Pull your hand back from something hot and experience every sensation. Today, we'll embark on a journey to understand this system. We'll start so simply that a school student can grasp it, and dive so deep that even medical professionals might find a new perspective. We'll also cover how to nourish it, protect it, and what to do if something goes wrong. So, let's begin. Think of your nervous system as a highly advanced corporate structure. The brain is the CEO, sitting in the head office. The spinal cord is the main high-speed data cable running down your back. The nerves are the broadband and fiber optic cables reaching every department, your muscles, skin, and organs. And the sensory organs, your eyes, ears, and more, are the market research team, constantly feeding information back to the CEO. First, let's get familiar with the key hardware components. Now, how do these parts talk to each other? They use a language of electricity and chemistry. Let's break down a nerve impulse, also known as an action potential. A resting neuron is like a charged battery. The inside is more negative than the outside. We call this the resting membrane potential, 70 mV. This is maintained by the sodium-potassium pump, which works like a bouncer, constantly kicking sodium out and letting potassium in. When a stimulus is strong enough to push the neuron's charge to a critical threshold, it triggers an all-or-nothing event, the action potential. Voltage-gated sodium channels open, and sodium rushes in, causing depolarization. This is the spike. Then, potassium channels open, potassium flows out, and the cell repolarizes, returning to its resting state. The impulse reaches the end of the neuron and must cross a tiny gap called a synapse. It does this by releasing chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These chemicals bind to the next neuron, either encouraging it to fire, excitation, or telling it not to, inhibition. It's a beautiful conversion from an electrical signal to a chemical one, and back to electrical. Now that we understand how this incredible system works, the most important question is, how do we maintain it? How do we keep our wires insulated and our electrical signals sharp? The answer lies in our daily lifestyle, what we eat, how we move, and how we rest. On-screen graphic, a plate divided into sections like a healthy food guide. Think of B vitamins as the premium insulation for your wiring. Vitamin B12, B6, and folate are crucial. Find them in green leafy vegetables like spinach and methi, whole grains like brown rice and oats, and in dairy products like milk and yogurt. Your brain is a busy organ, and that activity creates waste products called free radicals. Antioxidants are the cleanup crew. Load up on colorful berries, oranges, red grapes, and watermelon. Don't forget our Indian superfoods like turmeric, haldi, which contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Your brain is nearly 60% fat. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, are the building blocks of brain cells. They keep cell membranes flexible, making communication easier. The best sources are fatty fish like salmon and tuna. For our vegetarian friends, excellent sources are walnuts, akrot, flax seeds, algae, and chia seeds. Magnesium is a natural relaxant for your nerves. It helps calm an overexcited nervous system. Find it in pumpkin seeds, kadu ka beej, almonds, badam, and bananas, keela. Potassium is essential for generating the electrical charge of a nerve impulse. Zucchini, avocado, and coconut water are great sources. Aerobic exercise like brisk walking, swimming, and cycling increases blood flow and bandwidth to your brain. It delivers more oxygen and nutrients and encourages the release of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is like fertilizer for your brain cells. Coordination and balance exercises like yoga and Tai Chi are a full-body workout for your cerebellum. Holding a yoga pose like Vrikshasana, tree pose, challenges your neural pathways and strengthens the connection between your brain and your muscles. Mindfulness and deep breathing, such as Brahmari Pranayama or simple diaphragmatic breathing, activate the vagus nerve and instantly switch you into rest and digest mode, calming your mind. Adequate sleep, 7 to 8 hours, is not passive. This is when your brain's janitorial system, the glymphatic system, becomes most active, flushing out toxins that build up during the day. Foods like candy, cookies, and white bread cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, leading to brain fog and inflammation. Excessive caffeine can overstimulate the nervous system, while tobacco and excessive alcohol are direct neurotoxins. Chronic stress keeps cortisol high, damaging the hippocampus. Finding healthy outlets is non-negotiable. Despite its resilience, the nervous system can be affected by various disorders. So, we've mapped this incredible system from the CEO brain down to the smallest nerve fiber. If you or a loved one experience symptoms like sudden weakness, vision problems, slurred speech, persistent memory loss, or unexplained numbness, it is crucial to consult a doctor. And remember, the department that specializes in all of this is neurology. For any persistent issues like chronic headaches, dizziness, tremors, memory problems, or numbness, do not hesitate to book an appointment with a neurologist. They are the experts who can guide you best. Before we finish, let's bust a few common myths about the brain and test your knowledge. Myth number 1. We only use 10% of our brains. That's actually false. Brain imaging shows that almost every part of the brain is active at different times, even when we're sleeping. Myth number 2. Right-brained people are creative, left-brained people are logical. False again. Creativity and logic both involve many areas across both hemispheres. The brain is a team player. Myth number 3. Brain cells can't grow back. Surprise, false. Thanks to neuroplasticity, your brain can form new neurons and connections, especially when you learn new things. Now, it's your turn. Which part of your nervous system controls automatic functions like your heartbeat and breathing? A. Somatic. B. Autonomic. C. Central. If you picked B, you nailed it. The autonomic nervous system keeps things running smoothly behind the scenes. Your nervous system is the essence of who you are. By understanding it, nourishing it with the right food, keeping it active, and protecting it from harm, you are investing in a lifetime of clear thought, healthy movement, and overall well-being. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at some of the most exciting frontiers in neuroscience. First up, the gut-brain axis. Scientists are discovering that the trillions of bacteria in your gut don't just help with digestion. They can actually influence your mood, memory, and even your risk for neurological diseases. Imagine, what you eat could play a direct role in how your brain feels and functions. Next, neuroplasticity. Your brain is not fixed. It's constantly changing, able to rewire itself, form new connections, and even recover after injuries. This means that with the right habits, you can keep your nervous system sharp, resilient, and adaptable at any age. The science is evolving every day, and the future is bright. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of your own nervous system. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the human body.